Today I want to talk to you about dealing with drought stress on your turf areas. Now that summer's in full swing, turf areas are starting to protect themselves by going dormant from the heat and the drought. When you take a look at your grass areas, they're going to tell you that they need water. When you look out there and see shadows or hot spots, and also when you walk across the turf and they don't spring back up with your footprints, it's telling you that it's time to water before these areas really start to turn brown. Running a syringe cycle during the day for 2 to 3 minutes is going to be enough to cool the canopy down and keep the plant viable. But running that irrigation system early in the morning is going to be better than watering it at night to keep that plant from sitting there wet all night and encouraging diseases to happen to it. When you see brown spots or off-colored turf, make sure you identify the problem as actually drought stress and not disease or insects, as they often mimic the look of drought. If it is a disease that is present, you start adding water. It will allow the disease to spread and make the situation worse. If it is insects, misidentification will allow them to continue to damage turf in larger areas. If you have irrigation and are seeing hot spots, make sure you are getting head-to-head coverage by adjusting the heads and watching the zone run to assure it is getting the proper amount of water. Another tool is using varieties that require less inputs. We have A-list varieties, which is the Alliance for Low Input Sustainable Turf. These varieties have been tested and given the A-list seal as requiring less inputs to maintain turf quality. Not only water, but also fertilizer, pesticides, and mowing, which all impact turf and the environment. For more information on these A-list varieties, but also varieties that we have that are drought-resistant and disease-resistant, please refer to our websites at dlfpickseed.com and sroseed.com. As always, you can reach out to me and I'd be happy to point you in the right direction. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.